24 hours.
There goes.
Yeah.
Tools. So, just have to grab the handle.
Oh yeah. Let me help him because he just got surgery.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah, you ring your ring, yeah?
Yeah.
You want to see the other guys? They're over here.
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah?
I record all the fire trucks.
Oh, cool.
He lives on 12-4 and Post.
2-4 they went in.
Post.
Oh, post.
I saw they realized I haven't been in there though.
Oh no.
Just now, I just saw the restaurant.
Oh, at the
Just
restaurant?
now.
Oh, cool. Nice, yeah. What restaurant?
It was hospital, New York, perpetration.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, take a picture of the pole, too. That's where we come down. We get a call.
I know. When you hear, I know if you hear the alarm, you have to go
We
when
gotta
the
go.
whistle blows.
Yeah.
You have to, yeah.
Maybe you'll hear one.
Yeah. What's the closest firehouse to your house?
I have engine 95.
Oh,
It was 2-4 and by post.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Inwood.
Oh,
But
cool.
he's been all around too. Like
Yeah.
almost every fire station.
Oh, cool.
Even the one on Fire Island, in the middle of Manhattan. What you call that one? That was the last one we went to. Between Queens.
Roosevelt Island?
Yeah, but we went to
I'm not
Roosevelt
sure.
Island. We went to the one other way at the end of the F.D.N.Y. What was that one?
Miss South Street Seaport?
Operation.
Yeah, you saw Hazmat?
That's the one I want to go.
Oh, Hazmat?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the one in Queens. Hazmat in 288.
Yeah.
Oh.
Where's that?
Right off, whatchamacallit? What is it? The Grand, not the Grand Central. LA.
Okay.
Yeah, not too far.
All right. I've been to some around there.
Yeah.
But
You can see
know.
it from the LA though.
I know for being a fireman, it's not easy.
No. We have a lot of fun though.
Some days are hard than others.
Yeah.
Because I saw a video of 9/11. That was tough.
Yeah. Long day, yeah.
He just got surgery like 2 weeks ago.
Yes.
He's
It
already
was-
walking.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
It hurt, but my mom told me. My mom told me take it easy.
Good.
I can't eat a lot like I used to, but
Yeah.
I have to take it easy.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Yeah, little by little.
You guys
Thank
take
you.
the train up? Or you-
Nah, I drove. I'm literally parked.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
How old I?
This is him.
46.
You'll see a firehouse. He's like 22. I gave him
F.D.N.Y.
his birthday and all that.
Oh, cool.
Birthday in Columbia.
And
He
louder.
graduated in
Right.
Jewish Center.
Oh, nice.
Benzene.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the engine's out in the run, buddy. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah.
F.D.N.Y. shirt always on. His YouTube name is Ramsey Love.
Oh, Ramsey Love? Okay.
Yeah. He just records random situations. Whenever
Yeah,
he sees
yeah.
sirens and
Oh, cool.
uploads.
Yes.
Yeah.
People have an interest for that.
Yeah, of course.
Sometimes,
What's
sometimes
so
we go back
fun-
and watch our jobs because people
What's so funny is, well, I told my mom about this. What's so funny is when they go, that's funny.
He actually has a break. You can stop
Yeah.
it. You can stop it.
Because different sirens mean different things, right? Like the sounds.
Wow. You know, it's like, wow.
Yeah, I can tell like an ambulance.
And then and the police, wee, pull over the side of the road. Wee, you have to go that way.
you can tell the difference between
It's funny.
No one listens to him anyway. we can
I-
change it up, and no one will
Nah, he
listen to
be
it.
putting me on. Like I learned a lot. Like I didn't things I didn't pay attention. Like the police got the blue lights, so now I know. I'm like, keep driving. Like I'm good.
Yeah.
I recorded state trooper. Those are really don't mess with them because it's not, those are bad. So I stay away from them.
When are you guys going to hazmat?
In the summer when
summer,
I
yeah.
Need some
feel,
weights? Yeah. Awesome.
when I feel,
Get rid of them. You want them?
Yeah, because that's going to be a little drive.
yeah. My brother my older brother used to have a car, but now we don't.
Yeah.
But I'll take him. I'll see him every weekend.
Oh,
so I'll
good,
take him
yeah.
to different. I'll make sure.
Yeah.
There's a big checklist.
Thank you guys.
I appreciate it for allowing us in your home.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you, buddy.
Nice to meet you too.
Feel better.
Everybody okay? Come by anytime, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye.
See you later, guys.
Bye. That was fun.
Hey.